The universe is vast, it's full of mysteries, but what if I told you you hold a mini universe in your pocket? Your smartphone, your computer, they're not just devices. They are portals to a world of data. Data science is the key to unlocking this world. It's not just for scientists and tech geniuses, it's for you. Think of data science like solving a puzzle. Each piece of data is like a clue. When you put the clues together, you see the bigger picture. You understand the world around you better. Data science helps you find those clues and make sense of them. It empowers you to make smarter choices. This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now. Every time you use your phone, you're interacting with data. Data science helps you navigate this world. It's your guide to understanding the digital universe around us. We leave a trail of data everywhere we go. Grocery shopping, your loyalty card tracks your purchases, scrolling through social media. The algorithm learns what you like. Even online banking leaves a digital footprint. This data might seem random, but it's not. It tells the story. Data science helps us read that story. It helps us understand our habits and preferences. Imagine going to the grocery store. Your loyalty card knows you buy cereal every week. This week, it offers you a coupon. That's data science in action. Companies use data to predict what you'll buy. It's not just about shopping. Data is everywhere. Understanding data helps you navigate the digital world. It's like having a superpower in your pocket. Just like the universe needs order, so does your data. Think of your online passwords. Each one is a tiny but important piece of data. How do you keep track of them all? This is where data organization comes in. It's not just about neatness, it's about security. Using the same password for everything is like having only one key for all your locks. A strong, unique password for each account is like a different lock for each door. A password manager can help you organize and remember them all. That's data organization in action. It's a simple step that makes a big difference. Remember, your data is valuable. Keep it organized, keep it safe. Section 4. Spotting the patterns of the universe. Don't be fooled. The universe is full of patterns. Stars form in clusters. Planets orbit stars. Data has patterns too. Learning to recognize them can protect you from harm. Think about phishing scams. These are messages designed to trick you into giving up personal information. They might look official, but there are often clues that reveal their true nature. Data science helps us identify these patterns. Does the email address look right? Is the message asking for personal information you shouldn't share online? By learning to spot these red flags, you're using data science to protect yourself. You become a savvy explorer in the digital world. Section 5. Data science in action, making your best decisions. Let's talk about Sarah. She received an email that looked like it was from her bank. It asked her to update her account information. Thankfully, Sarah remembered what she learned about phishing scams. She noticed the sender's email address was slightly off. The message also had a sense of urgency. Sarah decided to contact her bank directly. It turned out the email was a scam. Sarah's story shows data science in action. By understanding phishing patterns, she made an informed decision. You don't need to be a data scientist to use these skills. Start paying attention to the data around you. Learn to recognize the patterns. You'll be surprised at the insights you uncover. Take control of your data, make informed decisions. It's like having a superpower in your pocket. Use it wisely.